Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have an outstanding recipe for keto, low carb, gluten-free focaccia bread. It has come out amazing, if I may say so myself. Let me show you what it looks like. Look at that bad boy. And let me do a taste test. Soft, bready inside with all the herbs and spices. Outstanding. We're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. So let's begin. We take a blender and we break up 200 grams of paneer. Now at this point I want to tell you, you can also use queso fresco or then cottage cheese with all the water pulled out. Now I'm breaking in 3 medium eggs and giving it a good blend, and this is the texture it should look like in the blender. I'm pouring it all into a big mixing bowl and adding 1.5 cups of almond flour next, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum, giving it all a good mix. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and of course 1 teaspoon of salt, and mixing it again. 3 tablespoons of room temperature water, in that goes. Now I've taken an 8 by 8 inch pan and I've lined it with parchment paper. Now it's very important to see what I do next. Of course I've made the dough end to end, but I take my fingers and I make little indentations on it, like light holes. And I'm going to take a little bit of olive oil and just sprinkle it on top. It'll all roll into the indentations. A few leaves of fresh dill and again a topping of chili flakes and some mixed herbs. And it's ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees or Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for 35 to 40 minutes, or until you get this beautiful brown crust. And thanks for watching, and do